Hello there, this is Irene. I'd like to welcome you back to our YouTube channel.
And this is David.
Thank you very much for joining us today. We are going to be bringing to you a home that has been built based on one of our home designs.
Great.
Maybe, David, you can take a moment and let us know about the home design that this home is based from.
All right. Well, thank you, Irene. Our client came to us and mentioned to us that they were interested in developing a home that they could be able to put on the market for sale.
All right.
One of the things that they wanted to gun for is a home that doesn't have a very large footprint, is economical to build, but offers good value for a middle-sized family so that they can be able to have a nice place that they can call home. Yeah.
So I'm curious to know, what is the size of the plot that this house is built on?
Okay. We designed this house to sit in 1/8 of an acre.
Okay.
So it's about a 50 by 100 property.
Yeah.
It has a pretty strong gradient towards one side, and we needed to work around that in terms of adapting the design to work with the slope and the gradient.
Okay.
So we have the access from the upper side.
Okay.
Then you come in, we leveled the area adjacent to the entry to be able to create a nice parking slot. You can be able to put 2 vehicles in this place, actually 3 vehicles.
Yeah, easily.
Then as an effort to again work with the gradient, on the lower side we have got the positioning for the sewer drain.
Okay.
All right.
At the lowest point.
At the lowest point.
Okay.
Then because of the way the levels presented themselves, we were able to actually create another room below the house.
Like a basement DSQ.
A semi-basement.
Okay.
Yeah. Actually, this became known as the man cave.
Oh, that's a man
because the
cave.
man of the house, that's going to be the place for them to do their hangout and a games room or an overflow space for them to be able to chill at and so on.
Okay.
So why don't we go into the house and take a look at what there is?
Okay.
All right. So as you come out from the parking area, you reach the entrance porch.
Yeah, this is
Pretty
a semi-enclosed.
Semi-enclosed, covered.
Yeah.
Great place to hang out. You can be able to put some furniture here. You can enjoy, actually with proximity to the dining on the inside, you can easily use this as a place where you can have outdoor eating and enjoy the views towards the southern side, which has got great views in that direction. Right. Then you come into your nice, we put in steel doors that will work very well for security, as well as giving nice light into the entrance lobby that we find in here. Right.
So we've come to the inside of the house.
Yes.
And what we have is what we usually call open setup, open plan setup. Yes. On this side you have the dining area, and on that side you have the living area.
Yes.
And of course the dining area works very well with the kitchen.
Correct.
In that open plan setup.
Correct.
Yeah.
Actually, one of the things that we try to do with the design is rationalizing spaces so that you don't have too much wasted space.
Yes.
So what we ended up doing here was we put together the circulation areas. As you come in, this is your entrance lobby.
Yes.
Then directly off of your entrance lobby, you're able to filter into the different spaces in the room. Either you want to go into the living room, or you want to go to the dining, or you're going towards the kitchen.
The kitchen.
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. And I can see from the kitchen we have an open doors that take you to the terrace, to the outdoor terrace, where you can overlook the gardens.
Yeah, from the living room.
Yes.
Really nice, spacious balcony.
Yeah.
Something that with again put in. We have really nice, secure doors.
Yeah.
But once that is open that way, you're able to enjoy some really nice air coming into the house.
Yes.
As well as breakout space.
Yeah.
Enjoying your lawn. Your lawns,
you can entertain out here, you can have your nyama choma, you can have your visitors.
There you go.
Yeah.
That'll be quite something.
All right.
Yes.
And this space is actually very spacious. You will be able to fit in your furniture comfortably.
Yeah. A 7-seater will go in here very easily with a coffee table, and then you've got your entertainment unit on the far wall.
All right. Okay, let's take a look at the kitchen area. That is, as we said, in an open plan setup.
Yes.
As you can see, the kitchen is nice and spacious. You have overhead cabinetry,
lots
and you have lower level cabinetry. Yes. So you'll be able to have, you know, all your storage space well taken care of. This serves as an island.
Yes.
Yeah.
A counter. It's a counter between the. Actually, it's a bar counter.
It's a bar counter.
Where between the dining area and the kitchen.
Living room area, and you can easily be able to set up like bar stools on that side and be able to use this as an informal dining area in the kitchen.
That's correct. That's correct. Yeah. If you can imagine you're entertaining guests and you had drinks to serve, you're able to do your platters here, and people can come and serve and go and enjoy either in the grounds or in the dining space. Really workable.
Okay. Great. And additional space, we have a pantry. Right now, one of the good things about this pantry is actually taking advantage of the space under the staircase. So instead of that space lying wasted, that space is used as a pantry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. So what's out here? Let's take a look.
From the kitchen, you have a door that takes you to the backyard.
Correct.
And at the backyard, you have a adobe area. You have your water storage. You have a place where you can set up your hanging lines for your clothes. It's just a backyard that you can easily use, for your family.
Yes. Yeah. Actually, what this allows is that you're able to, in proximity to the kitchen, you have all this space that is utilized for anything to do with your dirty kitchen work. You know, if you need to wash, you need to slaughter a goat. Well, that's not allowed in some parts of the world. But yes, this is the kind of thing. This is the kind of thing that you can be able to do in this space. Yeah. You have your hanging lines, which will be around this area. So all this will be a nice utility space for the house.
All right. All right. Right next to the staircase that takes you upstairs, you have a cloak room. This is your downstairs visitors' cloak room. This cloak room is shared by, the ground floor. Anyone on the ground floor can use this cloak room.
Yes. It doubles up as the ensuite for the bedroom on the ground level.
Oh, okay.
Right.
This is your downstairs bedroom. It has more than adequate closet space. I must say this is very generously provided with closet space, and this also works well as your domestic servants' quarter. It can also be your guest bedroom.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah. Two beds can fit here. You can either do a bunk bed, or if you can do 2 3x6 beds side by side, they can be able to get into that space.
I like this window over here at the staircase because it helps to bring in natural light into the house.
Yes. Let's go now. So we have arrived at the first floor. Again, with the rationalization of space, we tried to make sure that the circulation is kept to a minimum and that most of the space is actually given to the usable rooms, right? So directly in front of us, when you get to the landing, is a shared bathroom that is used by the two bedrooms, the two children's bedrooms.
Right? Okay. I can see it's spacious. You have your shower cubicle.
Correct.
Yeah, you can obviously be able to partition that off. And
yes.
Yeah.
Really nice. Okay. Then on the right hand of the wing, we have got the two children's bedrooms. Let's take a look. So right here, this is a bedroom that can take two beds. Really comfortable. You've got sufficient wardrobe space.
Yeah, very, very good.
Again, nice, really nice big windows which will bring in a lot of lighting, minimize the need for too much daylight.
This is another children's bedroom.
The second children's bedroom, yes. I don't know which one you think you'd prefer between this one and that one.
I'm not a child.
I think I like this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So again, easily occupy can easily cater for your two beds there, with plenty of wardrobe space. Really well served. Or you can do one bed with a really nice work desk for whoever is going to occupy this room.
Nice. Let's go to the favorite room. That is the master bedroom.
So here we are in the master bedroom. This is really comfortable for the master suite because for one, it gives really good provision for nice views towards the south and really overlooks the largest side of the plot.
Yeah.
So from this room, the master, what do you call it, the man of the house or the lady of the house is able to view who's at the gate, is able to view who is approaching the property. But more than anything, they have the best views of the house.
I like.
Yes.
So I'm just saying, I like the balcony. It's a good-sized balcony where you can sit here. You can set up an outdoor sitting area again, overlooking the gardens and
nice, easy seats. Yes,
the front side of the house.
Yes, great place to do your meditation. You can read a book out here as you enjoy the cool breeze. Can you feel that breeze?
Yeah.
I wish you could capture it on
camera. It's
actually cold. Really nice. Yes.
Yeah.
And then you've got the cabinetry for the couple, the occupants of the master.
Yeah.
Right
it's also quite spacious.
Yes. Yeah, really nice. Okay.
We haven't talked about it, but I really like the molding that has been put, around the entire house.
Yes, the gypsum cornice.
Okay.
Around there, and then also the choice of light fittings and sockets and switches. They are really elegant. They are not over the top. They work very well with the blend with the decor of this home. The colors also, the natural browns and the earthen colors of the Mazeras cladding out there. We'll take a look at that a bit more when we go outside, but that really works well with the...
But I'm imagining the house is done in white so that whoever takes this house is free to paint it and transform it to something that suits their style more.
There you go.
All right.
That'd be great. Okay. Let's take a look at the master bathroom. What we have is you've got both a tub where the lady of the home can soak and enjoy after a long day. And then for the men especially, men love the shower. So we've got a shower on the opposite end, which is able to, a nice glass cubicle that has a shower in it. Nice and comfortable, right? Then you have the close coupled toilet, and opposite you've got the wash and basin. So crisp, really nice for a couple. There's even enough space for a double sink if someone wishes to have that arrangement. So one more thing that we'll want to feature, come this way. Here we are. This is another gem of this house. We have this rear-facing balcony, which is accessible by all the members of the family.
Yeah, it's accessible to all the rooms. Anyone upstairs can be able to access this rear-facing balcony.
Yes.
And it's nice and spacious. This is a place where you can set up a sitting area.
There you go.
It's a good place where you can, just chill and relax. Yeah.
As the members of a family, if you want to have a quiet time together on the outside without too many prying eyes and so on, you're able to enjoy this
It's
place
very nice and private and overlooking, I don't know, the forest.
towards the Ngong forest.
Yeah.
Once you go down the stairs, because of the levels of the house, by the way we set the house, this space below the sitting room, below the living room, presented itself as a usable area. And this is what turned into the man cave.
Wow.
So here we are in the man cave. What do you think about this?
Well, I don't want to call it a man cave. It's a very nice and spacious room. I'm sure all the members of the family will be fighting to get a piece of this room.
True.
You know.
That's true.
Then it's self-contained. It has its own bathroom and toilet,
wardrobe,
and it has its own wardrobe.
Yes.
And it's very spacious. It can work very well as a home office. It can also work very well as a children's playroom. You can also use it as a guest wing.
Fantastic
guest wing. Maybe even you're living in a home or in a family where you're housing your parents. They are elderly. They are living with you. Your mom, your dad. This can be a very comfortable space where they can live, having a bathroom of their own and having their own closet. So it's not. It can take many uses depending on the family and the needs of the family.
Yes. Place you can entertain, like a second living area. And you know the best part about this, that the day you get, if you are to get this home for yourself, and the day you're too old to go up those stairs, you can turn this into a master bedroom. Yes. That is true. That is very true. And also, this space, the way it has been set, because it's independent, you can actually let it out on its own. You can find somebody who's looking for a small studio apartment, you know, a place where they can stay. This can work well, as well as for those people who would like to use their homes as homestays. You can actually set it up and have somebody coming from out of the country or out of town who is looking for a place where they can stay and just pay you daily rates. Awesome. Yeah, this can also work for that. So lots of practical uses for this. Yeah. That is the bathroom area. You have the shower, you have the WC, and you have the hand wash basin. Very comfortable. And that is it for today. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing if you find the content on our YouTube channel helpful. Share, like, comment. If you have any questions, please leave them below. We'll engage with you. If you need to get in touch with us, all our contact details, our email addresses and our telephone contacts are provided below. Get in touch with us. If you're interested in this house plan, any other house plan, we are readily available to help you. We'll see you in our next video.